down here at Mary's farm. Luckily my Energizer's all right. I don't have the battery in there right now, but my solar panel and the Energizer and my that box wasn't cheap either. I got a limb down on this fence, which I'm not worried about. This fence is so darn tough. It's amazing. Pulled that little cedar tree out by the roots. Go ahead and walk around. I ain't gonna show you all the whole walk. There's something laying down. Something took my fence down out there. We'll see. All right, I think this is the hardest this fence has been hit. So we'll. Ooh, there's more back there. We're gonna find out how tough this fence really is today. Got that big limb down on at the house, but the post didn't get hit like this. Look at that. It's amazing. Look. Usually I clean this stuff up before showing y'all because usually there's animals trying to get out, but there's nothing in here. Look at this. I mean, some people say this fence is expensive, but man, I have moved this stuff so many times. I started with this fence on my boss's property, and then I moved out here and I already had fence ready to go. Just look at it. That's crazy. I mean, golly, there's stuff down all over the place. Wow. Oh, hell, there's a big tree down over here. Man, I hope my back fence is okay. Oh, I got a mess to deal with. It's supposed to rain all next week. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Is this the top of it? Shoot. Wow. Oh, I forgot about my neighbor's house. This is it's the top of that. Oh, dang it. It's the top of that tree right there. Oh, man. What a mess. Stuff in my house is a lot worse, but golly. I got so many trees to cut up. Not what I was planning on doing this weekend. Here we are. Knocked that rotten tree over, which that's cool because it didn't hit anything, and I was going to have to cut that down anyway. Now I don't have to worry about falling on any goats. Yeah, I just got to show you all this fence. It's amazing. It's probably broke somewhere. I mean, I'm bragging on it. There's got to be a little bit of damage on this thing. I mean, I love this fence. It's so convenient. It's not cheap, but man, what other fence? Look, there's a reason I went this route. This was woven wire. It'd be destroyed, and I'd be upset, but hurt about it. This fence got mauled last night by trees all over, and I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna cut these trees off, adjust, I'll have to move them around a little bit because it done been knocked over. I won't get it back in the same hole, but I mean, I'm gonna cut these trees off and adjust it a little bit, and this fence is gonna be fine. There might be a hole here or there. Some of the stakes are probably bent, but I was gonna make 2 different videos. I was gonna make a video about goodness, I got too many things on my mind. I can't even talk. I got a lot of work ahead of me. I need my nephew to wake up and answer the phone so he can come help me. We'll see if that happens. Sometimes when that boy wakes up. Yeah, I was just gonna make one video. I was gonna show you all the damage I got from. We had a lot of wind damage last night. I might already said that. I don't know. Like I said, too many things on my mind. A lot of wind damage and a tornado touchdown right down the road. Really hit Reedyville pretty good in a small area, I guess. Prayers for everybody. I hope everybody's okay. I don't watch the news. I know there's some damage, some buildings that got taken out. Historic Reedyville Mill got hit. Russell's Market is gone, which is a bummer. That was our store. stop at that store before we went kayaking. Oh, neighbor's still the trees down too. But anyway, yeah, I was going to make a video about the damage at my house and the damage here, but that's going to be too long because this is already 5 minutes. But yeah, this is the damage on Mary's property. I might, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to make 2 separate videos, and I'm going to show y'all after I fix this fence. I don't know how familiar with it. I don't know who's watching, but you see the fence looks good over here. It's destroyed over there. I'm going to clean them trees up. I don't even think I'll get to it today, but I'm gonna stand that fence right back up and it's gonna be fine, and I'll show y'all afterwards. We'll finish looking. I need to go to the back and make sure my other solar energizer didn't get destroyed. Here's the top of a tree. It's kind of a shame. I wish there was more leaves on these trees so my goats would actually get something out of it. It's just firewood I gotta cut up now. Golly, it just destroyed that cedar tree right there. Which that's cool. That give the goat something to eat over here. Yes, so my fences, I got a lot of trees down, big dangerous trees caught up on my fence line at home. So I was coming down here to look because I was thinking about putting the goats in here so I don't have to rush at my house. But either way, I gotta clean some stuff up, which here I could get that stuff cut up and this fence put back up by myself. Ooh, there's a big old widowmaker back there now. Oh man. Yeah, I got a bunch of big dangerous trees to deal with, which is no fun. I like cutting trees down, but when they're caught in other trees, it's no fun. I don't care who you are. Stuff's dangerous. Yeah, this fence, I could clear this stuff off of it and get the fence back up and going in about an hour. I'm confident. I don't even have to rush too bad to get it done in an hour. If I really bust a tail, I might be able to get it done in 30 minutes. But I got a lot of work ahead of me, so I ain't trying to wear myself out. So I could get this fence where it hold goats in an hour. But my perimeter fence still isn't done. I'm still working on that. And really, I don't want to bring the goats down here yet because I'm trying to let the forage get grown up so there's more for them to eat. So when they come down here, they don't destroy it. I won't, you know. That's why I'm trying to hold them back so all this forage can get a head start. So I'm hoping if I can get some help, I'm just going to cut the trees off on my fence line at home and keep the goats there for another few days, maybe a week. But there's a lot of big trees down at my house, and if I'm going to get that done today, I'm going to have to get some help, which somebody will probably help me. My neighbors will help me if I ask them. I've talked to all of them. It doesn't seem like they have any real damage. I don't have any real damage. It's just I got fence down all over my fence down. I got trees down all over my fence, which, man, my neighbors are awesome. They called me last night right after the storm came through. Well, he really called me before. Oh man, look at that. I got a lot of this to deal with at home. Oh, that sucks. But as long as it stays there, it doesn't really matter. I don't guess. Golly, I got so much to deal with. But my neighbor called me last night, like right in the storm, and after it moved out, he went down the road checking on everybody. He pulled in and checked on me, and I was one of the only people that didn't have electricity. He brought me a generator, which I didn't need it, but I got chicks on the porch that needed a heat lamp, and my incubator. My chicks just started hatching last night, like early this morning while it's storming is when they started cracking the shells, and then it went out and they'd have died if I didn't get some power to them. So, which power's only out a few hours, but my neighbor Robert brought me a generator and helped me out. Sure appreciate it, Robert. Okay. Well, this is good. Here's my Energizer, and it didn't get damaged, thank goodness. Hopefully the lightning didn't take it out. It's off, so hopefully it's okay. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. But that's on the neighbor's property, and I don't know how much you hear over there, but he has a tractor and a bobcat and everything else. So I'll get with him, and hopefully we can knock that out together. He can run the big equipment, I'll run the saw, because that I can easily deal with that myself, but I'm not going to deal with it without hitting that fence. Yeah, I'd probably hit the fence a little bit. I might do pretty good and miss it most of the way, but I probably won't miss it all the way with just a saw. I'll holler at him when get that taken out when he's ready. I'm sure he'll be down to help me with that. I guess it's on this side of the property. I'd do it myself if I could, but like I said, I'll hit that fence, and he's got barbed wire up. That's some of his better fence. He doesn't have great fence, but that's a good enough fence to keep cows in, so I ain't trying to mess it up. Oh man, yeah, I got some work ahead of me. Well, and I gotta find a chainsaw chain. All my chainsaw chains are at the shop getting sharpened. I need to call him and see if I can come grab them, or I might borrow my boss's chainsaw. I might just have to buy one. I don't want to. I might just sharpen the one I got on it. I don't know. I wasn't ready for this. But yeah, I'm lucky compared to other people. I'm not complaining. I mean, this is a little stressful and a lot to do, but I mean, I'm lucky to just have trees down on fences and maybe a little tore up fence. Cars and all my buildings are fine, and my Energizer, so I'm lucky. I feel for the people that really got hit. Prayers for them. I don't know if I got to rambling about Russell's Market, which I hate Russell's Market's gone. I'm so bummed out about that. But I think some houses got hit up there. Like I said, I was telling y'all I don't watch the news. Haven't had time anyway. But I hope everybody's okay. Hope everybody's okay. I know some houses got taken out, but hopefully nobody got hurt real bad. But prayers for everybody that really took real damage and lost stuff. I'm lucky just to be dealing with fence damage. But I gotta get some stuff done. I gotta figure out what I'm doing. I'm not gonna end it because I want to show y'all this fence after I fix it. So. Alright, I got the limbs cleaned off. Y'all seen that one post was bent pretty bad. I just bent it back. Pretty much good as new. I mean, right here is where the fence was laying on the ground. I got the limbs off, bent that post back, reset the post in some fresh dirt. That's it. No real damage from what I can tell. I'm sure that one post will never be completely straight again, but I mean, it took a beating. I just wanted to show y'all before and after on this fence, because that's the worst it's been beat up. I mean, there were limbs down back here. I mean, just all over it, little branches all the way around. Fence is fine. I am impressed. I would have figured one of those would break with that much tension on it, with it being bent over that much. I've never bent one over that much. I might just have to bend one all the way and see what it takes to break one day. Yeah, I'm impressed. Most of this fence is, I mean, all this fence is 3 to 5 years old, so it's been in the sun this whole time and took that beating like it was nothing. But anyway, I've almost got my fence cleaned up down here. I got limbs and trees everywhere to clean up. I've been working on that today. But I'll see y'all later. Goose out.